What if the secret to eternal youth involved injecting salmon sperm into your face? Welcome back to Weird But Well, the channel where we investigate wellness trends so bizarre, they make our why though meter want to immediately take a very long, very deep sea dive. Today we're plunging into the deep end of anti-aging with a trend that's swimming onto the scene: salmon sperm injections, also known by their fancier names, PDRN or polynucleotides. Because apparently, your next facelift comes straight from the fish market. Is this the ultimate anti-aging hack, a scientifically backed fountain of youth, or just another incredibly expensive way to get a fishy facial? Let's cast our skeptical net and find out. So, what exactly is PDRN, or polynucleotide therapy? At its core, it's a treatment where purified DNA fragments, most commonly extracted from salmon sperm, are injected into the skin. Yes, you heard that right. Salmon, sperm. The idea, primarily popularized in K-beauty and aesthetic medicine, is that these polynucleotides are biocompatible, meaning your body plays nice with them. They're supposed to stimulate cell growth, repair damaged skin, reduce inflammation, and improve skin elasticity and hydration. The claims? They're as vast and deep as the ocean itself. Erase wrinkles, fade scars, reduce dark circles, shrink pores, and give you that coveted glass skin glow. It's like a skin reset button powered by a very specific kind of fish. Now, here's where Weird But Well separates the fancy fish from the actual facts. Is there any science behind this? Well, there's some early research suggesting that PDRN can indeed have regenerative effects on tissue, particularly for wound healing, and some specific skin conditions. These polynucleotides can act as building blocks for DNA repair and cellular growth. So it's not pure fantasy. There's a kernel of scientific interest. But, and this is a big flashing red but, the leap from might aid specific wound healing to injecting it will give everyone flawless, youthful skin forever is where the wellness industry takes a majestic, expensive leap of faith. The studies are often small, preliminary, or funded by the very companies selling the treatments. The long-term effects, especially for purely cosmetic use, are not widely established. And of course, proper medical application in a controlled setting is a far cry from a dubious back alley procedure. And let's not forget the why though meter's biggest concern: the risks. Like any injectable procedure, especially when done improperly or with unregulated products, salmon sperm injections carry dangers. We're talking allergic reactions. Your body might not love fish DNA as much as you hope. Infection. Non-sterile environments or techniques can lead to serious bacterial infections. Swelling, bruising, and pain. Common side effects: nodules or lumps, unwanted bumps under the skin, and for some, as we've heard, horrible, long-lasting reactions that can severely impact quality of life. The desire for beauty should never overshadow basic safety. Your body is already an incredibly complex and resilient machine. It has its own, much safer ways to repair and rejuvenate cells. So, what's our why though verdict? While the scientific concept of using DNA fragments for repair is intriguing, the current trend of salmon sperm injections for widespread anti-aging is a classic case of promising too much, too soon, often with too little robust evidence and too many potential risks. It's a pricey gamble on a fishy facelift. For truly effective and safe anti-aging, stick to what's proven: sunscreen, good skincare, a healthy lifestyle, and consulting with a board-certified dermatologist, not a fishmonger with a syringe. The content on this channel is for informational and entertainment purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult with a qualified healthcare professional before making any decisions about your health or treatment. We explore unconventional topics, but our discussions are not endorsements of any practices or products mentioned. What's the wildest, most unusual cosmetic procedure you've ever heard people try? Share your stories and your safe beauty tips in the comments below. If you found this dive into deep sea beauty both weird and well, hit that like button and subscribe to Weird But Well for more. Until next time, stay well and keep your beauty routine above sea level.